So you've been out and about and you've took a lot of photographs. You have a quick look on your screen. They look absolutely fantastic.
Oh no!
You question everything, you question the camera, but it's not always the camera's fault. And a lot of the time it's to do with shaky hands. And just using a tripod can eliminate those shakes. And this will prevent your photos from blurring and your overall pictures will look a lot more professional.
Hi-ho, it's home from work we go.
And let's take a look at the ESDDI TP35 tripod. The first thing you'll notice is that you get a case for the tripod. You get yourself a converter, so you can screw this into the tripod and you can attach a mobile phone to the tripod if you wish. So we'll quickly run through all the knobs that you've got on the tripod and exactly what they do. So this one on the side here, if we unscrew that, that allows us to turn left and right using the handle. We have this handle, which when we unscrew, we can move up and down. Once we screw that up, that is completely fixed in place now. We can't move that at all. On the top here, if we pull that back, we can remove the plate from off the top of the tripod, so you can start screwing the camera in there. Pull that lever out, and it should just slot into place. And make sure you close it so it's locked in position. On the plate you've got a 1/4 inch screw, so you should be able to fit most camcorders and DSLR cameras onto there. Over this side we've got this screw here, which if we begin to unscrew that, that will allow us to flip this plate over so you can get a 90-degree angle. And over on the left hand side of the tripod we've got this other knob here, which if we unscrew that, that will allow us to pull this up. And you've also got this little stick here as well, so you can rotate that to lift it up or pull it back down. On the other side we have got a spirit level, we've got a carry handle as well, so you can carry the tripod around. So rather than holding it at the base, you can actually grab hold of the handle, put it on its side. There's also a little thumb rest in there as well to rest your hand in there, so it is quite a comfortable fit. This part at the bottom there allows you to move the legs up and down. On the legs themselves you've got clips there, which if you unclip those, that allows you to extend the legs. On the bottom of the tripod you've got these rubber feet as well, can be moved around, so if you're on an uneven surface, when you put this tripod down, these feet should move into position, so it makes your tripod a lot more stable. On the bottom also we have this hook, so if you're out filming in windy conditions, you can put some kind of weight on there, whether it be a bag or you've actually got a weight that you can hook onto there that will keep your tripod on the ground and not getting blown away anywhere. And the weight of the tripod is just shy of 1.3 kilograms. At the moment the tripod is fully extended, so you're looking at approximately 169 centimeters, which is about 66.5 inches. We can push these legs in slightly so you can get a little bit more height on there, but you might lose a little bit of stability with the tripod. But if we measure the height of that, you're looking at 176 centimeters, which is just over 69 inches. The overall experience of using the tripod has been good. The only issues we've come across is that the quick release plate is sometimes a little bit fiddly to get back into the slot. The tripod itself feels really lightweight, as though it would get tucked away in the wind if you use it outside, but having this hook on there is very beneficial. If you're somebody who's new to filming or photography, then this tripod is a very good first tripod to have. It's a very cheap tripod, but it does the job. And our star rating for the ESDDI TP35 tripod will be 8 stars out of 10.